This thing is shaking her. Oh gosh.
So pretty.
He's really pretty.
I've seen one in person at the zoo. Reagan, don't. I don't want to.
You don't want to touch it with your hands? No. Holy, you don't want to touch it with your
Here. Good morning.
Are you scuba diving?
He's a dino
Explorer?
tracker. He's a dino tracker.
Could have been drinking that.
Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving!
Walk in their driveway a little bit, but should stay here or back up some?
Hi, Daddy!
Hi. How you doing? Nice to see you.
cheese.
Oh,
Give me Kiki. Slime. It's like slime, slats, cat, strip. Dude, what are you looking in? Like first grade, like sight words? Oh, let's look at Papa's drip. Oh snap! Do your slime. Do your slime.
because a good day from Christmas to be a happy boy.
All and to all a good night. Just to all and to all a good night.
Happy New Year! There he goes. Have fun, Daddy.
Birthday, big love. Birthday. Love you. Love you.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Auntie Nancy.
Yeah.
I love you.
All right, guys, we are back. We're in the candy store. We're about to eat this whole gummy worm. Once we get this, once we get buy it, we're gonna eat this whole thing. I'm gonna eat half. Mom's gonna eat half.
Say me.
You're going down. Watch out. Whoa. Oh, come on close, Emmy.
Weirdo. Just look at the camera. You're taking a picture. It was super fun. Yay!
It's cool.
Super cool.
No, it
Are you
doesn't
gonna get
have
one
a mic.
yourself now?
Yeah.
He thinks that it talks.
Yes.
Mommy, it's ruining my laces.
Okay, hold on.
I mean this.
Whoa, there it goes. Lift it up, Cole.
Oh gosh, I'm not doing that.
And that's one of the things that I love about my wife, that she's not scared to try new things, and she's never rode a motorcycle before.
Had to get that drone shot for everybody since we don't have a drone. Not put your mouth on the muffler
To make a sound.
to make sound. It's not a tube. Uber. I thought he was trying to call out the mouse. Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's just... Uh-oh. What are you doing? She's got her trap set.
Asked Reagan to get me a piece of toilet paper sparingly,
There you go.
and this is what she got me.
You
I
didn't
needed
tell
it
me.
to put her Q-tips on, and obviously that was way too small.
Oh.
That's elk, isn't it? Oh my gosh, guys, look at the elk. Can you take a picture? Back up, Cole.
I wish I could suck on a piece of ice or just go in a pool that had some ice in it. Sweating and it's hot.
They don't complain at all on our hikes, ever.
Wait, you've been here?
Hear that?
I heard it.
Oh yeah.
Where?
I didn't see him, but I heard him.
Please.
Big one.
Can you video it?
I ain't getting that close. And green and thick right there.
I'm hungry, okay? Big grumpy faces. there.
There's nothing in it. There's nothing on top. Good job, Emily. Ready, set, go!
Ready?
Okay, go. See the way he sticks his tongue out?
He's looking right at us.
Just direct him out. Like have the cup come out maybe.
It's okay, baby. Go get him.
Whoa! It's two. That's the one. I want to show you a whole rib cage and a neck. Look how this side can go.
No, last
Click,
time.
click, click, click.
Whoa! Whoa!
She doesn't even notice that.
But Dad, please. Whoa! Oh my God. Can I eat some snow?
No.
It comes out of the clouds. It's nice.
There goes my hair. Oh man. Wait.
How would you lick it?
Yeah.